Hello everyone. Windows 10 has this weird problem that when we switch off our Wi-Fi connection by either clicking on the Wi-Fi in the software or by turning off the switch in the laptop, Windows 10 will not turn it back on when we switch the Wi-Fi back on. For example, when we turn on the Wi-Fi switch in the laptop after we switch off it, or either clicking on the software by icon in the operating system itself. So either way, it will never to switch back on. So that is the weird problem in Windows 10, and many of us are facing this problem. And I have also faced this problem several times, and I was trying to find a solution for this. Then I understood this is the easier way to fix the problem to prevent wasting our time effort on trying to bring the Wi-Fi back on. So as you can see, it just shows like this. Wi-Fi after turned back on after 1 hour. So despite we turned on, so I have actually tried switching off the Wi-Fi in my switch in the laptop, and now I turned it on, but still it's not picking up the Wi-Fi after I turned it on. So how do we fix this problem? There are two different possible ways we can solve the problem. One is to use the keyboard shortcut, which is function key plus F12 key. In my laptop model it is F12 key, and maybe in your laptop model, depending on the model, you can see the symbol in the Wi-Fi icon in the keys, function keys, but it seems it still did not work. So as you can see, as it did not turn on even the function keys. Now what I'm going to do is select, right click on the Windows menu in the Windows icon. So right click on it, so you will see a menu bar. You can find the device manager menu item in the list. So look for the item device manager. Once you click device manager, this will bring up a screen with the list of hardware devices installed in our PC. So this is a list of items that is installed in my laptop. Now here what we can see is we have to look for the network adapter, which is the uh, tree node that is responsible for network related items. So under the network adapter, select it, and then under that, you have to look for wireless driver. So there is a Max also, so that is different. You have to look for the wireless driver. So there you can right click on the node, and then you can see you will have an option called update driver. So you can try clicking on the update driver. If you have a driver package available with your laptop, this will help. Unfortunately, I don't have a driver package with my laptop, so I cannot do this. So I will have to close this box. Then the next thing which you can do is right click on the wireless and select uninstall device. So don't get scared, it will not cause any issue. You can go ahead and click uninstall device. It will uninstall the driver from your laptop, and then the screen refreshes. As you can see, now it's gone. So immediately once it's gone, you have to go on the top of the tree and select, right click and detect for hardware changes. So once you click on your PC and click on detect for hardware changes, it will again refresh the list, and it will find that you will have your wireless driver available. So though you had uninstalled, it will automatically recognize your wireless driver. So after this is done, now if we go and check our Wi-Fi list, as you can see, now our Wi-Fi got turned on and it is listing our list of available networks. Note the important thing which you have to note is your PC will not automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network which you had connected earlier. Reason is it will have forgotten the password which you had entered earlier. Your Wi-Fi password has to be re-entered again in order to connect, because you had uninstalled and reinstalled the Wi-Fi driver. It will have forgotten your password, so you will have to re-enter the password and press connect, and see we have got connection now. So this is how you can get your Wi-Fi connection back in case if it doesn't get started. Okay, let's quickly check if we are able to browse it. And yes, Google is working and I can browse the internet. Then hope this solution helps you to solve your Wi-Fi problem. If it does, please give us a like and do subscribe. Thank you for supporting us.